Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone with a piece of wood. Looks like they used some black contact paper to wrap around it. Some little wooden stick pieces. And then they're adding in more pieces of wood. Oh, wow, that's really clever. So they used for the hook a little piece of a can opener. Wow, what a cool shelving design. This is remarkable. That came out absolutely amazing. Such a cool design. And then we have this paper towel holder. So they kind of added their own spin on this. They bought like a basic one and then kind of jazzed it up to make it look a little bit more modern. I think this is a very fun, easy DIY that you can replicate. Especially if you have like that boho aesthetic in your bathroom, I think that this would be a great DIY to try out. Very cool. Instant elevation for sure. So next we have some type of basket DIY. So this one involves some recycling. So they're kind of done like a woven technique for this. That's pretty cool, and you can use like a similar design for like many different things. I love those kind of DIYs where you can do like multiple different projects with them, or they have multiple different uses. Very creative. Oh, it looks like they might be making some type of jewelry holder for this next one. Oh, it's a mirror base. Oh, and a jewelry holder. Oh, that's cute. Love this design. And this is from the same person that did that first shelving that we saw. And then we have an Ikea furniture flip. So they're using styrofoam to do the shelving. I've seen cardboard being done before, but never styrofoam. I feel like these kind of projects would take a lot of patience. But wow, she's doing a really good job. Amazing. I feel like this would look really nice in like your bathroom. Oh, that's where she put it. Or kind of in a laundry room, maybe. Yeah, that looks really nice. Very high end. I like the color scheme she has, very soothing, soft colors. And then we have a DIY mirror design. So they are using pool noodle for this. I feel like I saw something similar to like how she, like her technique a few days ago. So it looks like she's doing like paper mache. Oh, very nice. That came out so smooth. And then she goes in and paints it brown. I've never seen it with brown before. I actually kind of like it. Looks more high-end to me. Wow. Amazing job. Kind of almost looks like snakeskin material or leather maybe. Like really expensive. So the next DIY is like another upcycle kind of project using like an old cardboard box. Okay, so they're doing like another kind of weaving it through technique. And then they're going in with some fabric. So I guess basically just another nice decorative basket. Another project with multiple uses. Oh, she had a nice little trimming. That's pretty. Oh, wow. Look at the handles on this. That is so cool. Very nicely done. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video and my reaction to all the DIYs. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.